Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is acrostic. 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 Acrostic is a literary device or form of poetry in which the initial letters of a series of lines, often in a poem or phrase, spell out a word, message, or name when read vertically. Acrostics are a creative way to convey hidden meanings or messages in a text. Here are some examples. Example number 1. During the ceremony, they presented an acrostic award, with each letter representing one of the company's values. Why acrostic is used in example number 1. Acrostic is used to describe the award with a meaningful message spelled out by the letters. Example number 2. The children enjoyed solving acrostic puzzles, where they had to find words hidden in the initial letters of a set of clues. Why acrostic is used in example number 2. Acrostic refers to the word puzzles that involve hidden words. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.